Greg again from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook. And today we're going to make my Masa Cornbread. Very simple cornbread, something that I have been watching some shows on TV and discovered masa. This is blue organic masa. There's a big push in the Mexico area to bring back heirloom corn, and this is a blue corn. And it's a process of making this corn using lime. I watched it, could not tell you how they did it, but that's what the internet's for. But this corn flour makes a great base for making a cornbread, and it's very simple, very easy to make. If you have anybody that's gluten intolerant, this works wonderful, especially this time of year when you have these hearty stews and soups because it's wintertime and you're trying to serve them a roll or something to put in it, and they can't. They can with this. So this is a very simple recipe to make this cornbread. You can kick it up more if you want. This is the basic. And so I've got your attention. Everyone, please like, share, and subscribe. We love having new subscribers every day. Makes our day here at Heck Yeah, You Can Cook. Please check us out on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and of course we have our Facebook group that I sometimes go live on at Heck Yeah, You Can Cook. So please check us out at those social medias. Today's tools you're going to need an 8x8 baking dish and parchment paper that I've cut to fit it. You're going to need, of course, some couple measuring cups, and that's about it. So a mixing bowl and a paddle, a spatula to turn it with, anything to turn it with. And so that's all the tools you need. Now the ingredients, I have 1 cup of the stone ground masa here, and this is the organic kind. I did buy this off the internet. I did look, it is in the grocery stores. Not necessarily organic blue masa, but if you want to use the yellow masa, I am sure it'll work. I just haven't tried it. I've got some salt, I got some agave, and I've got some avocado oil that we're going to use just a little bit of, and I've got 1 cup of very warm water. Came out of the tap, as warm as you can get it out of your tap. While I got that warm, let's go ahead through the process here. You'll take the masa, put it in the bowl, and add some water right to the top, a little like this, okay? And then we're going to add a little bit of salt, just a good pinch, ooh, a little bit of agave, just a drop or two, 1, 2, done, and a little bit of avocado oil, 1 good count. I'm going to move the camera so you guys can see us working on this in the bowl, how it forms into a ball. And then we'll show putting it into the 8x8. By the way, while we're working on this, make sure you get your oven preheated to 350 degrees. That's 350 degrees. Now that we've got the ingredients all put together, we go ahead and mix it up. Form it into a ball. I love that blue color. Now it's when we get our hands a little dirty. I'll push it together just a little bit. Grapefruit size ball. It came off. We're going to let that sit and rest for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes have gone by. We're going to take our ball here, set up, make sure you get all of it. We're going to sit it on the parchment paper. We're going to simply push it out so it fills in the sides. Trick here, this takes a minute of patience. A little meditation. Push it all down in there. Even it out so it cooks evenly. And the parchment paper will make it so easy to get out and to cut into nice squares. Now I use parchment paper when I'm using it only as a type of garnishment, like you would bread to a meal. If I'm using it as a base for my taco pie, taco bake, or whatever I'm going to name it, I use it then. I leave it in the glass and then we bake on top of the glass. So there we go, folks. We're going to set this in the oven. We're going to let it go for 20 minutes. We're going to check and see if it's firm at the top at that time. If it is, we'll pull it out. We'll let it cool for another 30 and then we'll cut it. Thanks. All right, everybody, we are back. The timer has gone off. We have cooked our Masa Cornbread. And oh boy, I wish you guys could be here to smell it. There we go. Now, I'm looking for this kind of firmness. A little bit right there, it's crunchy, but it's very firm. All right, so it's not going to get you too bad. You can push down, feel it's not giving you a bounce back. We're going to let that sit for 30 minutes, come back, cut it, and you can see the finished product. 30 minutes has gone by. We have gotten cooled. So what we'll do now is we'll take it out. Gotta love some parchment paper there. Look at that. Pulled it right out. Got my trusty knife. Got some cornbread. See the nice edges there. Cut it any size pieces you want. Still a little moist. Breaks apart nicely. Wonderful. I hope everybody enjoys. You can use this as a side to any meal that you make, and it's gluten-free. It goes really well with soups and stews and tacos, things of that nature. Everyone have a great day.